Fulgor Milano range model F6RT24S1 error codes. Fulgor Milano 600 series 24-inch electric Smoothtop style cooktop with 3 elements, hot surface indicator in black. Error codes. Before contacting service, check the following to avoid unnecessary service charges. Problem. E008 error appears in the display window. Solution. A problem with latch mechanism occurred. Remove power and turn it back on again after a few seconds. The oven should run a latch auto test. If condition persists, note the code number and contact service. Problem. Other error code appears in the display window. Solution. Remove power and turn it back on again after a few seconds. If condition persists, note the code number and contact service. Problem. The oven display stays off. Solution. Turn off power at the main power supply fuse or breaker box. Turn breaker back on. If condition persists, call an authorized service. Problem. Cooling fan continues to run after oven is turned off. Solution. The fan turns off automatically when the electronic components have cooled sufficiently. Problem. Oven door is locked and will not release, even after cooling. Solution. Turn the oven off at the circuit breaker and wait a few seconds. Turn breaker back on. The oven should reset itself and will be operable. Problem. Oven is not heating. Solution. Check the circuit breaker or fuse box to your house. Make sure there is proper electrical power to the oven. Make sure the oven temperature has been selected. Problem. Oven is not cooking evenly. Solution. Check oven calibration. Adjust calibration if necessary. See to set temperature, page 13. Refer to cooking charts for recommended rack position. Always reduce recipe temperature by 25 degrees Fahrenheit 15 degrees Celsius when baking with convection bake mode. Problem. Oven light is not working properly. Solution. Replace or reinsert the light bulb if loose or defective. See page 32. Avoid touching the bulb glass with bare fingers as finger oil may cause bulbs to burn out prematurely. Problem. Oven light stays on. Solution. Check for obstruction in oven door. Check to see if hinge is bent or door switch broken. Problem. Cannot remove lens cover on light. Solution. There may be a soil buildup around the lens cover. Wipe lens cover area with a clean dry towel prior to attempting to remove the lens cover. Problem. Oven will not self-clean properly. Solution. Allow the oven to cool before running self-clean. Always wipe out loose soils or heavy spill over before running self-clean. If oven is badly soiled, set oven for a 4-hour self-clean. Problem. Clock and timer are not working properly. Solution. Make sure there is proper electrical power to the oven. Problem. Excessive moisture. Solution. When using bake mode, preheat the oven first. Convection bake and convection roast will eliminate any moisture in oven. This is one of the advantages of convection. Problem. Porcelain chips. Solution. When oven racks are removed and replaced, always tilt racks upward and do not force them to avoid chipping the porcelain. Problem. Ignition will not operate. Solution. Is the power supply cord unplugged? Plug into a grounded 3-prong outlet. Problem. Ignition will not operate. Solution. Has a household fuse been blown or has the circuit breaker been tripped? Problem. Surface burners will not operate. Solution. Is this the first time the surface burners have been used? Turn on any one of the surface burner knobs to release air from the gas lines. Problem. Surface burners will not operate. Solution. Is the control knob set correctly? Push in knob before turning to a setting. Problem. Surface burners will not operate. Solution. Are the burner ports clogged? See super sealed surface burners section. Problem. Surface burner flames are uneven yellow and/or noisy. Solution. Are the burner ports clogged? See super sealed surface burners section.